Grab your pencil one by one. Let's count together, it's so much fun. Write and draw, then count again from number 1 to number 10. 1 pencil sharp and brand new, ready to write with me and you. 2 pencils make a line so straight, drawing shapes, isn't that great? 3 pencils tap on the desk, tap, 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 now take a rest. 4 pencils spin in a race, rolling fast from place to place. 5 pencils draw a star so wide, big and bold with lots of pride. 6 pencils scribble side by side in rainbow colors far and wide. 7 pencils point to the sky, let's draw a rocket flying high. 8 pencils form a happy face with a circle and a smiling grace. 9 pencils march in a row, left to